Want to blow up on YouTube and TikTok? Here's what actually works. Consistency is key. Post consistently. Aim for at least 3 to 5 times per week on TikTok and 1-3 videos per week on YouTube. More uploads equals more chances to go viral. Short-form content wins. YouTube Shorts and TikToks get pushed hard by the algorithm. Keep them under 30 seconds for max engagement. Hook viewers fast. The first 3 seconds matter most. Use a shocking fact, bold text, or a question to grab attention immediately. Ride trends and hashtags. Jump on trending sounds and topics. Use hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, hashtag trending and niche-specific hashtags to get discovered. Engagement hacks. Comments boost reach. Ask a question or say comment if you agree, to encourage interaction. High retention equals more views. Keep people watching. Cut slow parts, add captions, jump cuts, zooms, and bold text to keep it engaging. Call to action, CTA. Want to grow even faster? Hit like, plus follow for more growth tips.